Welcome back. In a negligent act, an electricity line helper Krishna Valib got electrocuted at Coshti Sanguem. The tragedy occurred while felling the trees. The incident occurred on Tuesday morning. The family members of Krishna blamed the electricity department as the electric line was not switched off by the engineers while the work was on. However, executive engineer claims that electricians do not carry safety gadgets.
Krishna Valib got electrocuted on Tuesday morning at Coshti Sanguem. It was around 11. He was associated as a helper with the electricity department branch in Pantemol, Kutsure. Krishna got electrocuted when he came in contact with a high-tension line while felling trees at Coshti. He was 36 years old. Krishna Valib leaves behind his bereaved wife and 3 children. The family of Krishna have blamed the electricity department for negligence.
पण सरकारान जर अशें निश्काळजीपणान जर काम केलें जाल्यार अशें करपा जायना न्ही. ते इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटा पळय ए जावं जे जावं ते सायटीचेर वचोन नाल्यार कोण तरी सुपरवायजर तरी काम करता आसतना हे लेबर अशें न्हू लायनमॅन पूण तेंच्याक व्हड कोण तरी एक मनीस उरपा जाय बरोबर अशें आमची मागणी.
आज जे पळय कितें एक्सिडेंट घडला तो सामको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटा सारकी निश्काळजीपणा.
Family is seeking assistance and compensation from the government.
थंय कितें तरी ते भुरगे बाळाचे फुडार तरी पळोवपा जाय कित्याक बायलां कामां वचना आनी भुरगीं सामकी ल्हान.
However, executive engineer of Kutsure claims that all the safety gadgets are provided to the staff maintaining the line, but they do not follow the safety measures.
So actually we are given instruction whenever any tree cutting is there, they have to take shutdown and do that. So today they have gone for ground cutting. So since there is no near line, they are not taking shutdown. So I think there was some tree which is very near to that. For that they want to cut without taking shutdown. So the person, he was extending that pruner by standing down. So he might not have noticed the line. He extended. In that process, it is touched on line and he got shocked.
Krishna is a resident of Barshe in Kepe. He was associated with the electricity department from past 5 years. Reporters Samir Bhatt and Mayur Naik for Prudent.
Corporator Rudresh Chorankar has alleged a scam of 50 crore rupees in the Panji New Market. He alleged that about 350 shops out of 376 are illegally operating. Tender for 350 shops has not been approved by the CCP. He has held the former corporators responsible for the scam.
This is the new market of Panaji. It was built in the year 2004. The first floor of the market caters to 376 shops. Corporator Rudresh Chorankar says 350 shops out of 376 are illegally operating from the past 10 years. Rudresh Chorankar informed that there is a scam of 50 crore rupees in the CCP shop allotment.
माझ्या कोतान ही स्कॅम एटलीस्ट 50 कोटीचो आसा. हो मारत्यो स्कॅम पणजेन जाल्लो आहा तो एटलीस्ट 50 कोटीचो. कित्याक थंय जर ते इन्क्वायरी तेंचेर करपा ही खरीच आहा नाल्यार मागीर ऑप्शन करपाची. वो रिपोर्ट आमकां गेल्या मिटींग जेन्ना पळय हांवें मागलो आमची गेल्या मिटींग म्हयन्याची मिटींग जाता त्या मिटींग हांवें मागलो तेन्ना संजितान कडेन हो आमी रिपोर्ट रेडी जालो म्हाज्या हातीन दिलो.
He alleged that no opportunities were given to the Goans as the shops are being owned by non-Goans.
ह्या एकाच फ्लोरान हांवेंच काल सांजे पसून पळयल्ले 376 अलॉटमेंटांचो आसा. ही 376 अलॉटमेंटान 350 अलॉटमेंट नांव टॅली जायना. चडशे गोंयकार कोण म्हाका दिश्टी पडना. हांव कसलेय रिलीजनचे आसूं पण गोंयकार दिश्टी कोण तशें दिश्टी पडना हांगासर. आनी ओरिजिनली हांगा टॅली जायत ना.
He also held former corporators and the staff of CCP responsible for the scam.
ह्या मार्केटान आदले कावन्सिलर्स इनवॉल्व आसा, स्टाफ इनवॉल्व आसा, ऑफिसर्स इनवॉल्व आसा, सगळे इनवॉल्व जावन ह्या मार्केटाचे खोळंबो केल्लो आसा.
Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
People of Sankwal are agitated with the menace on the highway connecting Kortali to Mormugaon. An engineer of electricity department dug a pit beside the highway, making it inconvenient for the people to travel. He dug the pit for joining underground electricity cables in Sankwal. People have asked the electricity officials to complete the work at the earliest.
Have a look at this. This pit was dug some 25 days back. An electricity engineer dug the pit for joining electricity cables at Sankwal. However, the engineer has left the work incomplete. The open pit is creating trouble to the people. Minor accidents have already taken place due to the pit.
एक्चुअली तेणें जें काम घेतलां तें काम घेवचे पयलीं तेगे सगळो अरेंजमेंट जो कितें तेणें करपा आशिल्लो तो पयलीं करपा आशिल्लो कित्याक हो मेन हायवे जाल्ले कारणान आनी जें तेणें खणलें तें तुमकां पळोवपा येता तितूंतलो रस्तो ब्लॉक जाता तेन्ना तेणें सगळीच ती तयारी आपली कितें आसा ती करूनच तेणें काम स्टार्ट करपाचें आशिल्लें आतां तें पळयत जाल्यार तेणें आतां तो ओपन केला थंय दवरला आतां कितले दीस जाले तो ना सद्या आनी 8 दिसां पयलीं हांगा एक एक्सिडेंट जाला तो मायनर एक्सिडेंट जाला मेजर कांय जावना पूण हें आतां थंय पळयत जाल्यार हांगा मेजर एक्सिडेंट जावपाक शकता.
ते 20-25 दीस जाले इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटान हांगा खणून दवरलेले आसा ते हांगा अशेंच पडलेले आसा कोणें काय तेणें कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट घेतलेला ते कारण हांगा 3-4 एक्सिडेंट जाल्ले आसा.
Punch member of Sankwal, Shilpa Naik, has asked the authorities to complete the work quickly.
एक्सिडेंट आनीक जावपाक शकता तेणें तो बेगिनान बेगीन ते काडचो क्लियर करचें काम करून हय अशी म्हाजी विनंती तेकाय ते कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराकूय कित्याक आतां इफीच्यो हेवटेन सारकी गाडयांची खूब रहदारी जाल्ली आसा तेन्ना ते फास्ट करचें काम तेणें आनी ते काबार करचें थंयचें.
Reporter Surendra Matkekar for Prudent.
News from sports of a short break. Stay tuned.